Welcome back to my channel. I'm Gian. Today we're making Mexican rice that's bursting with flavor and it's super easy to make. Start by heating 1.5 teaspoons of oil in a pot over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, saute chopped onions and smashed garlic. Saute until the onion and garlic is softened and fragrant. This will take just a few minutes and this builds the base flavor for your rice. Next, you're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste to the pot. Cook this for just about 2 minutes or so, stirring frequently. As the tomato paste cooks, it will caramelize slightly, giving the rice a rich, savory depth of flavor. And as always, the recipe will be linked below in the description box. Now that you stir fried for just about 2 minutes or so, it's time to add the rice to the pot. You're going to add long grain white rice. And my ratio is usually 2 pots of rice to 3.5 cups of water. This is the perfect amount of water for this type of rice. Add chicken bouillon powder, cumin, and a pinch of salt. Give everything a good stir, making sure to stir all the way to the bottom of the pot because you don't want those rice grains to stick together. Now bring this to a boil and give it one final stir. Turn the heat down to low. Cover with a lid and let cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is tender and has absorbed all of the liquid. Turn off the heat and gently fluff using a fork. And that's it, perfectly fluffy and delicious Mexican rice. Thank you for joining me today. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment below letting me know what you would serve with this rice. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.